Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. I'm your English teacher, Miss Samira. Welcome to the video lectures, class 5, subject English, lecture number 7. Book name is Grammar and Usage. Let's see the contents of today's lecture. First of all, we will have an explanation of the rules of present continuous tense. Then we will solve an exercise from the book. Afterwards, we will have an explanation of past continuous tense and its rules. And then we will solve an exercise from the book relating to the past continuous tense. Let's see the instructions. Now, I want all the students to be attentive and ready, and they should listen carefully to the lecture. And keep all your things ready, like your books, notebooks, and stationery items. You have to follow all the guidelines and also note down the important points of the lecture. It is very important that you take the lecture under the supervision of elders. Starting off today's lecture with present continuous tense. Now, you all know the rules that the verbs of a sentence indicate the tense of a sentence. So, जो rules हैं present continuous tense के, उसमें जो पहला rule है that is also related to verb. Verb की पहली form आती है present continuous tense में. First form of verb is used plus ing. So, first form of verb के साथ आप ing लगाएंगे present continuous tense में. For example, now the first forms of verb are like walk, talk, sit, play. So when you're going to add ing to these verbs, they will become walking, talking, sitting, playing. So present continuous tense में आपने verb की पहली form के साथ ing use करना है. तो दूसरा rule है present continuous tense का, that is the helping verbs. So the helping verbs which are used in present continuous tense are is, am, are. ये तीनों हम helping verbs use करते हैं present continuous tense में, is, am और are. Is used with singular nouns. If the noun is singular, you are going to use is. Like for example, the girl is looking at the board, the boy is watching the movie. अगर singular noun है तो आप is लगाएंगे. Are is used with plural nouns. For example, the students are playing in the field, the animals are wandering in the jungle. अगर एक से ज़्यादा noun है तो फिर आपने sentence में present continuous tense में are लगाना है. Am is used with I only. Now, am जो है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ I के साथ लगता है. Like I am completing my work, I am eating my lunch. So, I के साथ am helping verb लगता है. These are the rules for present continuous tense. These are very easy. You should memorize these rules for solving the exercise on the book. Now, let's solve an exercise which is related to present continuous tense. It is on page number 100 of your grammar and usage book. Exercise number 29. In this exercise, you have to use present continuous tense. Now, the first sentence is, I need an umbrella. It dash rain heavily outside. Now, rain here is a verb. It is written in brackets. So, you have to change rain and you are going to use a helping verb with it. Now, let's see the answer. It is raining. So, you're going to add ing with rain. It will become raining. And helping verb you are going to use is. So, this is the answer, is raining. You have to write this in your blank. Now, coming to sentence number 2, we dash go to the zoo tomorrow. Now, go is the verb here. It is in brackets. The helping verb we are going to use here is are, because we is plural noun. So, we are going to the zoo tomorrow. This is how you're going to change this sentence to present continuous tense. Coming to sentence number 3, Frank and I dash do is the verb here, the project together. So you're going to use are because there are two people, Frank and I, it's plural, and you're going to use ing with do. Are doing. Frank and I are doing the project together. Now, coming to sentence number 4, the children dash build sandcastles on the beach. So children is again plural, so are, till the children are building, ing, the children are building sandcastles on the beach. Coming to sentence number 5, the mechanic in the brown t-shirt dash repair the car. Repair is the verb here, which is in brackets. So mechanic is singular noun. You are going to use is, helping verb. The mechanic is repairing the mechanic in the brown t-shirt is repairing the car. Sentence number 6, Joyce dash leave for Australia tonight. Joyce is singular noun, so is, and leave will become leaving. Joyce is leaving for Australia tonight. Coming to sentence number 7, Mrs. Lee dash send her 2 young children to school now. Again, singular noun. Mrs. Lee is, send, ing, sending. Mrs. Lee is sending her 2 young children to school now. Now, let's come to sentence number 8. Look, the dolphin dash leap out of the water. Dolphin is singular noun, so is leaping. Look, the dolphin is leaping out of the water. Sentence number 9. Mr. White, our principal, dash retire at the end of the year. Retire is the verb here. Mr. White is a singular noun, so is retiring. Mr. White, our principal, is retiring at the end of the year. Last sentence of the exercise is the eagles dash attack the snake. Eagles is plural here, so the eagles are attacking the snake. So this was exercise number 29 on page number 100. You need to solve this properly on your books and make sure that you give the date and day on that page also. Now coming to past continuous tense. Let's see the rules of past continuous tense. Again, the verb which indicates the tense of a sentence. In past continuous tense, first form of verb is used plus ing, so there is no change here. This rule is similar to the present continuous tense. Examples are eating, running, hiding, etc. But the difference here is that helping verbs which are used in past continuous tense are was and were. Only these two helping verbs are used. Was is used with singular nouns. For example, Jane was looking at the board. I was completing my work. And were is used with plural nouns. For example, the boys were playing in the ground. The animals were wandering in the jungle. So it is also very easy tense, past continuous tense. Its rules are similar to present continuous tense. The only difference is that of the helping verbs was and were. Now let's see the exercise number 34 that is related to past continuous tense. It is on page number 110 and 111 of your grammar and usage books. So open the page and give date and day. Now sentence number 1 is they dash watch television the whole night. They is plural, so you are going to use were. They were watching. Ing will come with the first form of verb. Watch, watching. They were watching television the whole night. Sentence number 2, we dash have our dinner when the telephone rang. Again, plural noun, so we were having, ing with have, we were having our dinner when the telephone rang. Sentence number 3, some boys dash talk while the teacher was teaching. Again, plural noun, some boys were talking while the teacher was teaching. So fill the blanks with the proper answers in your books, please. Moving on to sentence number 4. They dash decorate the house the whole day. They were decorating the house the whole day. In decorating, you are going to add ing, but e will not come here. Make sure your spellings are correct when you're writing the answers in your books. Sentence number 5. The bus dash traveled very fast when it collided with the car. So the bus is singular. You're going to use was. The helping verb was will come here. And traveling, and double L will come in traveling. The bus was traveling very fast when it collided with the car. Sentence number 6. The boy was careful and looked left and right while he dash crossed the road. The boy is singular here. So was crossing. The boy was careful and looked left and right while he was crossing the road. 7th sentence. The burglar dash ransacked the house when the owner returned. The burglar is singular here. The burglar was ransacking. Ransacking means to look here and there, everywhere. Ransacking the house when the owner returned. Sentence number 8. They did not understand what the speaker was saying. He dash speak in French. He is again singular. So आप यहाँ भी was use करेंगे. आंसर में आएगा was speaking. He was speaking in French. Sentence number 9. Mrs. Jones dash put out the laundry when it started to rain. Mrs. Jones singular noun है. So यहाँ भी आप was use करेंगे. Mrs. Jones was putting out the laundry when it started to rain. Putting has double T in it. Make sure your spellings are correct. Sentence number 10. The boy dash run after a ball when the stray dog started to chase him. The boy, singular noun again, was running, double N in running. So the boy was running after a ball when the stray dog started to chase him. Students, this was the exercise related to past continuous tense. I hope that you have noted down all the answers properly. ये आपकी दो exercises थी, present continuous tense की और past continuous tense की. I hope कि आपको सब समझ में आ गया होगा. These are very easy exercises. Please complete your works neatly on your books. That was all for today. I hope that you have understood the lecture. If you still have any problems or queries, you can ask me. I am here for your guidance. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.